Today we have here the 2025 Nissan Murano. This is the SL trim, brand new, totally redesigned. You got your headlights there, LEDs. You got daytime running lights integrated into the gloss black grille. Front sensors going on there. You got this bar here in the front, and over here there's a Murano stamped right into the front. Looks pretty cool. I like the front end. Let me know what you guys think in the comment. These are 20-inch alloy wheels, brand new, gloss black on the mirror caps, and SL trim. Step up from this will be platinum. That one is fully loaded. This one does have some nice bells and whistles. SL all-wheel drive Murano 2025. A lot of people thought the Muranos were done for. Haven't been hearing about them too much. Seen them lately on the road. Well, now 2025, they're back. Got this body molding running all the way from the back, picks up at the window, all the way down to the front. Should have made that a gloss black, but it still looks nice. Side profile here. And now to get into the rear of the Murano. Oh, and check this out. No exposed wiper blade. It's tucked right up underneath there. There's one famous YouTube guy that I watch. He loves those wiper blades being tucked underneath. It does look very clean. But anyway, to get in here, back, press here, button opens up. Greeted to a decent amount of cargo space here. Let's see. They don't offer spare tire. You do get fix a flat with an air pump. That right there is your Bose subwoofer. A little storage space on each end over here. To fold these seats down, there's a handle here on the side. That one folds down, seatbelt's caught on it. And then you get this side. Boom. It will go down, but the seatbelt's caught on it. And close this back up. There's a button here. You can adjust this height for shorter people or taller people. You can adjust the height right here with the lock button. Close it back. Hit that button one time. It'll come down for you. Power lift gate. Under the hood of the brand new Murano is a 2-liter turbocharged engine making 241 horsepower with 260 pound-feet of torque. Is a 9-speed automatic transmission. And now to the interior, my favorite part. Nice, lovely screen. Infotainment system, all new digital dash. This is over 24 inches of screen here. A lot of car companies are going with the larger screens now. Let me know how you guys feel about that in the comments. This one is really nice though. Doesn't look too much. Some companies go all the way to the passenger side. Got your Bose sound system, ambient lighting. You can change that up, different colors. New drive selector gear, park, reverse, neutral drive. Got your drive mode. Let's see how that changes in the dash. Sport, standard, eco. Got Murano stamped there. No physical buttons or knobs for your heat and AC controls. Kind of like a haptic feedback once you tap on the buttons there. Rear the fog. Turn it up and down here. Auto. Do have dual climate for your passenger and yourself if you want to change the temp. If your significant other likes it hot and you like it cold, dual climate control is the way to go. So many things you can do on this infotainment system here. You got maps. I'm loving the screen for the maps. It takes up the whole entire screen, unlike some cars, they don't. You got your media here, cell phone. This has Google. Hey Google, what's the weather for today?
Today in Oak Lawn, it'll be mostly cloudy, with a forecasted high of 50 and a low of 25. Right now, it's 49 degrees and partly cloudy.
Nice weather for today. Nice weather. So yeah, you get your Bose sound system here with everything. There's more settings you can mess around here. Heated seats. I'm gonna turn this down because it's actually hot. Okay, you got 3 stages of heated seat for the driver, 3 stages of heated seat for the passenger. You're gonna have, yeah, your 12-inch, 12.3-inch infotainment system with a 12.3-inch digital dash here. Google Assistant, as I just messed with there. Google Maps, Google Play Plus, really aimed towards Google. A lot of the car companies now are aiming towards Google. So for your tech, you have blind spot warning, rear cross traffic alert, lane departure warning, high beam assist. You're going to have rear automatic braking. You're going to have intelligent forward collision warning, intelligent lane intervention. It comes with a lot of tech on this SL trim. Like I mentioned, this isn't the fully loaded one. That will be the Platinum, the next one up from here. So much to do on this screen. Got your tire pressures, full maps on the dash, and the infotainment system. Definitely can't get lost with two maps. Bluetooth settings. Here's your ProPilot Assist. More settings. Nice screen here. Really nice screen. Could imagine these screens are going to come to all Nissan products. And for the key, you got remote start, lock, unlock, or you open the rear hatch and panic. Nice key. You have a nice little startup intro. Push button start. All new infotainment system. Greets you with the nice intelligent features. Nice HD colorful screen. Check out the cameras here. You got your button. Tap that. So here is the full 360 view. Split screen off to the left, making sure you're not backing up in anything. That's your forward camera there. Press that one there. That is your side view camera on both sides, making sure not getting any curb rash on your new Murano. That's the front view in the middle. Here's a full front view. Down here is the view all around the left and the right, and you can see the wheels turning with the inside the lines there. That one's nice. So many options for your camera there. Full 360 view on your HD screen. 12.3 infotainment system. Now to the rear seating. Decent sized door pockets here. Got your speakers in the door. Nice touch there. Leather. Gloss black around there. Leaving a lot of fingerprints. Decent sized spacing back here. You have two vents there. Two USB-C outlets. And here's that rear panoramic sunroof. A lot of sunlight coming through. Can easily fit 3 adult passengers back here. Comfortable. Nice seating. Huge thanks to Kelly Nissan and Oak Lawn for letting me do this review today. Once again, come and visit them. Get any used or new Nissan vehicles, parts, service, or rentals. Thank you for watching.